Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best GoPro SD card is probably one of the most crucial components for capturing your adventures with the Hero 10, as a slow or unreliable card can lead to dropped frames, corrupted files, and missed moments, so choosing the right one is paramount to unlocking the full potential of your action camera and ensuring your epic footage is saved flawlessly. Number 5. SanDisk 256GB Extreme microSDXC UHS-I Memory Card. Experience lightning-fast transfer speeds of up to 160 MB/s. This allows you to save time when moving large files like high-resolution images and 4K videos. With write speeds up to 90 MB/s, you can shoot photos quickly and efficiently. Never miss a moment with its rapid capture capabilities. Record breathtaking 4K UHD and Full HD videos with confidence. Its UHS Speed Class 3 and Video Speed Class 30 ratings ensure smooth and reliable recording. Enjoy faster app loading and smoother in-app performance. It's rated A2 for an optimized mobile experience. This device is built to withstand the toughest conditions. It's temperature-proof, waterproof, shockproof, and X-ray proof, making it perfect for any adventure. Easily manage your files with the SanDisk Memory Zone app. Download it from Google Play for simple organization and access. What we like. This card boasts incredibly fast read speeds, perfect for quickly offloading large video files. Its A2 rating means apps load snappier, enhancing your mobile experience. If you need top-tier performance for transferring footage or running applications smoothly, this is the one to consider. What people say. The card is fast and works great with the GoPro Hero 10. It's a reliable card that handles high-resolution video recording without any issues. Number 4. SanDisk 400GB Ultra microSDXC UHS-I Memory Card. This high-capacity memory card, ideal for Android devices and cameras, has been discontinued by the manufacturer. With up to 400 GB of storage, you can keep even more hours of full HD video right on your device. Actual user storage may be less. Experience transfer speeds of up to 120 MB/s, allowing you to move up to 1,000 photos in just a minute. This performance is achieved with compatible devices. Enjoy faster app loading times thanks to its A1 rated performance. This ensures a smoother experience when running applications directly from the card. It is compatible with devices that support microSDHC and microSDXC, making it a versatile choice for your smartphone, tablet, or camera. What we like. With a massive 400 GB capacity, you can store countless hours of video without worry. Its 120 MB/s transfer speed is great for moving files efficiently. If you're looking for maximum storage for your Android devices or MIL cameras and want to keep your apps running smoothly, this high-capacity option is ideal. What people say. The card is fast and works great with the Hero 10. It's a good quality card that handles 5.3K video recording without any issues. The card is reliable and has enough storage for extended recording sessions. Number 3. TEAMGROUP Go Card 256GB microSDXC UHS-I U3. Capture your adventures with our high-performance 256GB memory card. It's designed for your action camera and drone, ensuring you never miss a moment. Experience incredible speed with read speeds up to 100 MB/s and write speeds up to 50 MB/s, transferring your footage is now faster than ever. Don't let the environment stop you. This card is built to last, offering waterproof, dustproof, X-ray proof, and cold-resistant protection. We're committed to the planet. This product utilizes new printing technology, making it an eco-friendly choice for your storage needs. Perfect for outdoor sports, vlogging, and 4K shooting with devices like GoPro, Insta360, and DJI. It's the reliable storage solution you need. Enjoy seamless 4K shooting and high-speed transfers. This card ensures your recordings are smooth and your files are accessed quickly. What we like. This card is built to withstand the toughest conditions, offering protection against water, dust, and extreme temperatures. Its eco-friendly design is a nice bonus. If your adventures take you to harsh environments or you simply want peace of mind knowing your card is durable, this is a solid choice for action cameras and drones. What people say. The card is fast and works great with the GoPro Hero 10. Good value for the money and performs well for 5.3K video recording. Number 2. Samsung EVO Select 256GB microSDXC UHS-I U3 memory card. Record your life's moments in breathtaking 4K UHD video. This memory card is perfect for capturing high-resolution photos, gaming, and all your adventures. Experience incredibly fast speeds with up to 100 MB read and 90 MB write. It's designed to keep up with your demanding needs, ensuring smooth performance. Don't worry about the elements. This memory card is built to last, offering resistance to water, temperature, X-rays, and magnets. Use it anywhere with the included adapter. It seamlessly fits into cameras, laptops, and desktop computers for maximum versatility. Enjoy peace of mind with a 10-year limited. This ensures your data is safe and accessible for a long time. From smartphones and tablets to action cameras and drones, it's the ideal storage solution for all your compatible devices. What we like. Designed for recording stunning 4K UHD video, this card ensures you capture every detail. It's built to last with robust protection against water and temperature extremes. If you're a content creator focusing on high-resolution video and want a reliable card with a long warranty, this option is excellent. What people say. This card is fast and works great with the GoPro Hero 10. The storage capacity is excellent for recording long videos. It's a reliable card that has not failed me during recordings. Number 1. GIGASTONE 256GB microSD card. Introducing the GIGASTONE 256GB microSD card, your ultimate storage solution. It offers incredible speed and capacity for all your devices. Capture stunning 4K UHD videos and enjoy seamless gaming with read-write speeds up to 100 MB/s. This card is designed for high-performance recording and playback. Experience lightning-fast app loading on your smartphone and tablet thanks to its A2-grade performance. Run your applications directly from the card for enhanced efficiency. Never worry about running out of space again. It's perfect for expanding your smartphone's internal storage and storing all your important files, videos, and music. This versatile card is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, GoPros, cameras, laptops, and even the Nintendo Switch. It's the perfect companion for all your gadgets. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year limited warranty and free data recovery services. We've got your data covered, ensuring your precious memories are always safe. What we like. This card offers a unique 5-year data recovery service, providing an extra layer of security for your precious footage. Its A2 rating ensures fast app performance, and it's compatible with a wide range of devices, including the Nintendo Switch. If data safety is your top priority or you need a versatile card for gaming and action cameras, this is a compelling option. What people say. The card is fast and works great with the GoPro Hero 10. It's a reliable card for recording high-resolution video on the GoPro Hero 10. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.